We are gonna be installing the Raxiom Tail Light Sequential Harness Tail Light Plug-in Connectors. Bunch of words you don't need to know about. All you need to know is that we're gonna be plugging them into the tail lights. What this is gonna do is that it's gonna actually change the sequence of the tail lights. But I do have one little concern about putting these things in, that these are aftermarket tail lights. So you might be questioning, why is that a concern? Why is that a concern, brah? On the website, they mentioned that you need to have the OEM taillight. This is not the OEM taillight by any means. I'm also optimistic about it because the plugins do not change at all from the backside of this taillight. It's literally a plug and play system. I am not a magician. I am not a technician. I am none of those things. So what we're gonna do is find that out right now. And what you're gonna get are these two very small sets of harnesses. And as you can see, the size of my hand and the size of the harness, really not that big.
That's what she said.
And you're gonna notice that it's a very simple layout and design. It shows you the OEM plugs from one side to the other, and all you're doing is just matching it from one end of the harness, other end of the harness. I don't believe this has any sort of left and right shit on it, so you could pretty much just plug in however you like. So this side could probably work for this side, or it could probably work for this side. But in order to be able to put this thing in, I gotta make sure I cut my aftermarket zip ties that I put on the car. And the reason I gotta cut those is because I don't have clips on here. So I gotta cut this off, pull this panel back, and then I'll be able to access the harness to the taillight. This video is sponsored by Mommy, because if it wasn't for her, this video would not be happening. Got this as a Christmas gift, and the ironic part is that she cannot stand when I modify my car, so for this to happen was pretty special and surreal. So thank you, Mom. As you'll notice that there are some wires popping out from the body of the car. That is what's connected to the taillight. Then it runs down, then look at there. There is a set of clips. So what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna unplug those clips, and you'll see there's a little tab right there. You're just gonna grab it, pull up on it without yanking on the wires like how I'm doing now. Let me see if I can get it. Pause. Okay, so that took me 25 minutes to do. Just kidding, no, it didn't. So the next thing you're gonna do is pull the wire up that's connected to the taillight and just make sure that the plug looks like it is gonna be identical, if not very, very, very similar to the new harness that you have. So I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be going on the female end, and this would be the male end, and I don't need to explain why. So what we're gonna do is just, we're gonna slide it in, and if it clicks, you'll know that it does work. Well, mine didn't click, but it's pretty tight in there, so I'm just gonna take it for what it is. You're gonna grab what you already plugged in with your tail light, and you're gonna plug it into the harness that's down below. And you're gonna notice that these little grooves up top, these little channels. And you're gonna slide those in with the channels that are on the tab, which I can't really show you, but you'll see right there and right there, you wanna slide those in. So I gotta spin this around, push this thing in, and it should just go clip right in. And before we jump into the other side, let's just make sure that this works so we're not wasting our time. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. It does work, it does work. Compared to this side, which was what it originally was like, it's all right. I mean, it's cool, it's just chill. Then you go over here though, and it just adds some character to the car that there's always, every time when you add a new mod to the car, it just gets you that much more amped up and excited that you did it, because it just makes it feel like a new car again. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump to the other side, and let's get this thing finished off and right. I already know that my friends were gonna clown me for all that dirt and shit that was behind the taillights, so I'm gonna do you one better. I got myself your favorite Windex, and how can we not do it right with an oversized towel, bruh? I'm sorry, did I miss a spot? I think I missed a spot. So we're gonna be checking out 3 things to ensure that these things work to their full potential. And that first thing is gonna be checking the brakes. Wanna make sure the brake lights work, because if they don't, then we're in some serious issues. The other thing is we're gonna go ahead and check the hazards, which I'm pretty sure work already because we already kind of showed it earlier, but just to double check everything. And last but not least, we're also gonna check the blinkers because we wanna make sure our blinkers work. We don't want anything to interrupt that or anybody start bitching or complaining or yeah. So we're gonna solve that all right now. So this is with the hazards on, and as expected, they do work, and it just looks very unique and different compared to what I'm used to on this car. But overall, really liking how this thing looks. But you know what? Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the brakes. After checking over the video, I will say one thing I do like about it that I was not expecting is that the rings around the taillights are also doing that sequential thing as well. I was only expecting the middle section to do the sequential, but considering the whole thing is doing it on both sides is really cool. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and check our, We're gonna go ahead and check our blinkers, make sure that it's working right. Bingo, we got 1. Now let's go back and put this thing to rest. There we go, brah. There we go. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.